Hey friends, if you wish to allow block programs through Windows Defender Firewall on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Search for Windows Defender Firewall in the Windows search bar and go to Windows Defender Firewall. Okay, now in Windows Defender Firewall on the left pane there is an option which says allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. You have a lot of features here. You can permit them public access or deny them public access. That is totally upon you. Okay, so you will have to click on change settings and then it will activate the option to allow or deny access. Okay, though I suggest not to change this because these have been created with a lot of care. I will deny access to Apple Music for the sake of this example, and then I'll click on OK. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.